Hey everybody, welcome back. Gonna do a little midweek build series here, hopefully for the next few weeks. Getting started on a new project. We got a 08 Softail Deluxe that we're gonna totally revamp, get rid of the nostalgia look of it and turn it into a little modern, sleek kind of racer-ish bike. If you're familiar with hardcore cycles out of Germany, kind of similar look and feel. Obviously, won't be a complete crazy build. We're just doing a little revamp. So, but anyway, I thought you guys might enjoy seeing how you can completely transform a bike. So don't buy a new bike, transform your old one. Anyway, we're gonna get to work tearing this thing down, and got a bunch of parts on order for it already. Once those arrive, we'll be able to get some more work done, but we're gonna go ahead and get it broken down as far as we can today. Alright, that's day one in the books. Got this thing torn down pretty good. I might pull this exhaust off if I can get to it kind of easy. Now we're just waiting for parts to arrive. So we got wheels and tires and handlebars and a bunch of different stuff coming, and we're going to black out everything on this bike, and it should be real slick. So we will be back tomorrow, hopefully, if some parts arrive. If not, in the next couple of days, and show you guys what's happening with this build. I think it's going to be a pretty fun one. Alright guys, we're back day two on this 08 Deluxe rebuild. Give you guys a little pan shot here. We got the motor all murdered out, low gloss black, and we're waiting on a tire to come in so we can start doing the rear mock-up. Here you see the rear wheel it's getting a matching 21 front, and we're just going to go ahead and start getting some of the little accessory stuff that arrived bolted on. We got black foot controls, we got some little short shot black pipes, so we're going to start getting put on what we can while we're waiting on the rest of the parts.
And he said you're sure that's for a twin cam, right? I said he grinded, so yeah.
No, I'm not sure. That's why I showed it to him.
Okay.
I mean, I'm 99% sure that that's what it's for.
Okay.
So we got our foot control on. Now we're going to go ahead and rob a couple parts off the old exhaust. The way Harley designed their exhaust, you get the little split ring and exhaust collar that holds the pipe to the head. Those are reusable. And in this bike being an 08, it has oxygen sensors, which we will be fitting into the new pipes. So we got to get those pulled off of the old exhaust and ready for use with the new pipes. So now that we got those out, we'll bust out our new pipes. Little set of short shot ceramic black. Gonna install the oxygen sensor.
This is real simple stuff, but anybody can do this kind of stuff at home. Um, the little ring just kind of walks around the header pipe, and that's what locks the plate on, which allows you to bolt it to the cylinder head at the 2 exhaust studs. So we got our first pipe loosely fit up. Because of the length of these pipes and they're being so short, we don't have to have any mount from the pipe to the frame like you would on a longer set of exhaust. But there is a couple mounting points on the back of the pipes and a plate that comes with them to tie the 2 pipes together to help brace everything. Works perfectly fine. We use these pipes several times, and it's just the easiest way to do it. So what we do is we get the pipes front and rear loosely fit up to the cylinder heads, but don't tighten them too tight. And then you'll get this plate, which uses some carriage bolts. You put the bolts into the plate, you loosely fit the nuts on that, and then slide it all into place into the 2 mounting points on the back of the exhaust. Lock it all down, and then tighten up your cylinder head nuts for finished exhaust.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for today. Not a ton of progress because we're waiting on parts, but we did get our forward controls on. We got our little short shot exhaust, and as soon as our tire gets here, we'll get our wheel installed and then figure out our back fender. That's going to be a custom handmade piece. So anyway, a little bit of progress every day helps get these things knocked out. All right, guys, so we're back on the 08 Deluxe rebuild. Not going to be very easy for you guys to see this, I don't think, but we're going to install this LA Choppers easy lowering kit. These are awesome if you have a Softail 2000, I think up to like maybe 14 or so these work on. But it allows you to do inch and a half lowering without removing the shocks and having to dismantle them in a press and all that stuff. So comes with these 2 little collars and some new end nuts and bushings. So first thing you got to do is get the old nuts off the end of the shock, which are underneath here, which I'm imagining you can't really see. Alright, so once you got both nuts off, you're going to lower your jack down. And let's see if I can get this. Yeah, so right here in the center there, that's your shock. You'll watch those will slide out as I jack it down. So you can see right here that I'm touching with the wrench, the shaft is exposed now. That's going to take this small collar, and this collar essentially restricts the shaft from going all the way in and extends the length of the shock by using these new nuts, which reach in deeper than the stock nut. So you can kind of see the length difference of the nuts. The new nut goes on after you put the collar in place. So really a simple design, a little bit of a pain in the ass to get to everything, but once it's done, it's a nice quick lowering job without having to remove the shocks and needing a press to dismantle them and all that kind of stuff. Alright, we got this side on, we got to go around and get the other side on, and then we'll come back and put our nuts on.
Alright, we got the lowering kit all complete. I'm going to go ahead and drop it down onto his wheel.
All right, guys, I'm gonna call it here for this first round on this bike. Thought about doing one video with the whole entire bike in it, but you know, start to finish, it'd just be too long of a video. So we're gonna call it here. Got the bike lowered. We got our new rear wheel in. And our next stages on this is to get our rear fender built. I got a fender blank, and gonna do something kind of cool on here. Waiting on a few parts to arrive still, but we can get the fender done, the seats here, so we can get all that stuff fit, and keep rolling on this thing. Trying to make this one a kind of quick one, being that it's just a little refresh, not a full build or anything. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching along, and hope to see you next time at Gaddy's Garage.